The Bible didn't say people would stop going to church. It said something more dangerous. They would stop tolerating truth, whether they are home or they go to church or they go to wherever, they would not have love for truth. This is the second coming. 36 truths you didn't know. Number 17. Why false teachers will multiply. For the time will come when they will not endure sound doctrine. 2 Timothy 4:3. Notice that phrase, the time will come. So what time is this? They shall turn away their ears from the truth and shall be turned unto fables. 2 Timothy 4:4. This is a time when people don't reject God outright. They just replace truth with something more comfortable. But who's teaching these fables? For many shall come in my name and shall deceive many. Matthew 24:5. Catch this carefully. They don't come in Satan's name. They don't come looking evil. They come in the name of Christ. That's what makes the deception effective. Many false prophets shall rise and shall deceive many. Matthew 24:11. And why does it work? Because iniquity shall abound, the love of many shall wax cold. Matthew 24:12. When truth becomes inconvenient, people start preferring messages that don't challenge them. So what do? They gather teachers who tell them what they already want to hear. Emotion over truth. Performance over transformation. Programs over real spiritual growth. And over time, they don't just believe it, they defend it. The Bible already warned. The devil deceived the whole world. Revelation 12:9. The Lord had put a lying spirit in the mouth of all these prophets. 1 Kings 22:23. Ye feed not the flock. Ezekiel 34:3. This isn't small-scale deception. It's systemic. As we move closer to the return of Christ, this doesn't decrease. It actually intensifies. So the real question is this: are you following truth or just what feels right? Are you following the Bible or something that makes you comfortable? Follow and subscribe to my accounts for more truths on the second coming, more teachings, more music, and more helpful materials for your Bible studies soon. I'll see you around.